And as we are nearing the conclusion of the elections, my colleague Sharad is here to analyze the markets over the election years. Let's go across to him and find out how have the election years fared so far.
Well, the mandate and the elections, that's a very interesting concept we have taken out, and for the last data from the last 40 years or so, we have taken this data, and out of 10 times, 8 times there will be a positive return in a calendar year whenever there is elections held in India. Maximum returns we saw in the year was 1991, where a lot of reforms was actually coming out in the markets, and that is why the impact was there. And overall, as a median return is expected, that would be 21% in an election year. Now let's understand over the last 12 elections, right from 1980, how the markets have fared. And of course, twice it has happened. It has turned negative also in the year 96 and 98. But overall, if you see, the trajectory is on an upward basis. Now, apart from the yearly numbers, we have a result day move. What was that reaction coming in? And of course, over the last 4 election dates we have taken in, and we can see on the screen itself, it has been on the positive side 3 out of 4 times. And on the May 23rd, 2019, it was on the downward side of almost 1%. 2020 itself, if you look at it, that has this year given investors return of almost 2%. Now let's bracket the performance which has happened between the UPA government as well as the NDA government, and we have taken last 4 elections, the UPA Part 1, UPA Part 2 from 2004 onwards. We saw 162% gains on Nifty, while it was 74% in the second term. Now looking at NDA also, there was a Part 1 NDA 58% was there, and the last one, the current one, is coming in at almost 97%, or you could say almost 100% gains. So this has been the moves when it comes to the political parties. But now importantly, let's track the move 1 week prior and 1 week later for the markets. Of course, the volatility was there in 2004, both on the negative side, but largely on the positive side, if you look at it, especially 1 week later also, there has been strong up moves coming in when it comes to 2009, 2014, as well as 2019.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.